Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OCPP with EV charging platforms like ChargeLab, full guide step by step clearly. To configure OCPP with EV charging platforms like ChargeLab, start by accessing the ChargeLab dashboard. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the settings section of the dashboard. Locate the OCPP configuration options. Choose the version of OCPP you intend to use, whether OCPP 1.6 or OCPP 2.0. Review the available features and select the desired functionalities according to your needs. Obtain the ChargePoint ID, which is essential for linking your chargers to the platform. Navigate to the Charger Management section. Add a new charger by entering the ChargePoint ID. Configure the connection settings for the charger. Set the URL endpoint where your chargers will communicate using the OCPP protocol. Ensure that the communication port is appropriately set for your network configuration. Log into your charging station's management interface. Access the OCPP settings for your specific charger model. Enter the same ChargePoint ID in the URL endpoint you configured earlier. Verify the network connectivity to ensure proper communication. Save the settings and restart the charging station if required. Return to the ChargeLab dashboard. Monitor the status of your chargers to confirm they are online. Check for any notifications or alerts that may require your attention. Update the settings or troubleshoot connectivity issues as needed. Repeat this process for any additional chargers in your network. Document your configuration steps and any unique settings for future reference. Utilize the reporting tools within ChargeLab for ongoing performance tracking. Finally, regularly review and adjust configurations to maintain optimal functionality as your network evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.